Hello, today we will guide you through how to upgrade or downgrade your QuickBooks Online subscription. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your QuickBooks Online account to review your plan and change it to better fit your business needs. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to the company file you want to manage. It's important that you use an account with admin or billing access. Without those permissions, the subscription options won't appear. Once you land on your dashboard, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct company, especially if you manage more than one. Now look to the top right corner of the screen for the Settings icon. This is where QuickBooks gathers your account, billing, and administrative controls. Click the Settings icon to open the menu. You'll see a list of options related to your company and your profile. From here, find and select Subscriptions and Billing. This takes you to the dedicated area where you can view your current plan, see what's included, and make changes. On the Subscriptions and Billing page, you'll see details such as your plan name, billing frequency, renewal date, and price. You can also explore available plans to compare features. If your business has grown and you need more advanced reporting, additional users, or automation tools, choose the upgrade option that fits those needs. If you're simplifying operations or no longer require certain features, you can pick a more streamlined plan to reduce costs. As you evaluate, pay close attention to features that may change with each plan, such as user limits, inventory tracking, or advanced analytics. Before you apply a downgrade, consider whether any existing workflows rely on features that are only available in higher tiers. If so, make adjustments or note what could change after your plan switches. For upgrades, expect access to new features soon after you complete the change. Billing is typically adjusted based on your cycle, and you may see a prorated charge or credit. QuickBooks will guide you through any confirmations on screen, and you'll receive a confirmation email once everything is set. After updating your plan, return to your dashboard and check that key tasks still function as expected. Review user access, reports you run frequently, and any custom fields or automations you rely on. If something looks different, it's often related to the new plan's feature set and can be adjusted in your settings. That's it. You've navigated to subscriptions and billing and used that interface to upgrade or downgrade your QuickBooks Online subscription with confidence.